Student, we are from 9th standard and studying Science and Technology Part 1, the first chapter, motion. In the last period we have seen speed and velocity, and in this part we are going to learn what is acceleration and its formulae. For this, first of all, we are going to learn uniform and non-uniform linear motion or speed. For this, see this example. There are three friends, Amar, Akbar and Anthony. They are traveling by their car and they started their journey at 5 o'clock and finished it at 8 o'clock. Suppose they are going from point A at 5 o'clock. First of all, their speed or distance covered at 5 is 0, 0 and 0. That means they are started from point A. At that time their speed is 0 all. म्हणजे तिघे मित्र अमर, अकबर, अँथोनी हे प्रवास करायला लागलेत स्वतःच्या कारने. 5 वाजता प्रवास सुरू केलेला आहे आणि त्यांचा संपतो प्रवास 8 वाजता. And their record is noted per half an hour. That means at 5:30, 6, 6:30, 7 and 7:30 and last at 8 o'clock. That means record is noted every half an hour. Suppose Amar is going by 20 kilometer in the first half hour, that means 5 to 5:30, Amar covered the distance 0 to 20 kilometer. In the second half hour, that means 5:30 to 6, he covered 20 to 40 kilometer. That means in 1 hour Amar covered the distance 0 to 40 kilometers. In the second hour, 40 to 80 kilometer. See here, Amar is traveling by the speed about 40 kilometer per hour. That means at 5 he started his journey, and when it is noted at 6 o'clock he covered the distance 40 kilometer. From 6 to 7 in this hour he covered the distance again 40 kilometer, and from 7 to 8 he covered the distance 40 kilometer. That means Amar is going with uniform speed per hour. Here 5 to 6 and 6 to 7 and 7 to 8, each and every hour he has speed 40 kilometer, 40 kilometer and 40 kilometer. See here Akbar. What about Akbar? Akbar started his journey at 5 o'clock. At 5:30, that means after half an hour he covered the distance 18 kilometer. After half an hour he covered 36 kilometer. After half an hour he covered 42 kilometer. After half an hour, that means at 7 o'clock he covered total 70 kilometer distance. That means from 5 to 6 he covered the distance that is 36 kilometer. From 6 to 7 he covered the distance 36 to 70 kilometer. That means the difference is 70 minus 36, 34 kilometer. That means in first hour he covered the distance is 36 kilometer, while in the second hour he covered the distance 34 kilometer. That means he is not in uniform speed. the speed of Akbar is changing. See here, Anthony. In the first hour, he covered the distance 0 to 28 km. In the second hour 28 to 56 km. That means again 28 km. Here 28 km. In the first hour, he covered the distance 28 km. And in the second hour, he covered the distance 28 km. And in the third hour 56 to 84, that is also 28 km. That means Amar and Anthony have uniform speed, not equal but uniform speed, and Akbar is in motion, that is non-uniform speed. There are some questions for you that are time interval between the noting. What is the time interval between the noting? That means 5 to 5:30, 5:30 to 6, 6 to 6:30, 6:30 to 7, 7 to 7. That means time interval between the notings is 30 minutes. म्हणजे प्रत्येक अर्ध्या तासाने त्यांच्या एकूण कापलेल्या अंतराच्या नोंदी घेतलेल्या आहेत. Who has covered equal distance in equal time interval? Who has covered equal distance in equal time interval? See here, म्हणजेच समान कालावधीमध्ये समान अंतर कोणी कापलेलं आहे? Amar has covered the distance in every hour is 40 kilometers. See here. And Anthony also covered same distance in every hour. म्हणजेच अमर आणि अँथोनी यांनी समान कालावधीमध्ये समान अंतर कापलेलं आहे, पण अकबरने प्रत्येक तासाला समान अंतर कापलेलं नाही, म्हणजेच तो नॉन युनिफॉर्म स्पीड मध्ये आहे. अमर आणि अँथोनी हे मात्र युनिफॉर्म स्पीड मध्ये आहेत. Third question, all the distances covered by Akbar in the fixed time interval the same? No. Fourth question for you, considering the distance covered by Amar, Akbar and Anthony in a fixed time interval, what can you say about their speed? त्यांच्या स्पीड बद्दल मग आपल्याला काय सांगता येईल? Speed of every person, that means Amar, Akbar and Anthony is different. But we can say that Amar and Anthony is moving with uniform speed, but Akbar is moving with non-uniform speed. Then uniform speed and non-uniform speed. See the definition for uniform speed and non-uniform speed. If an object covers equal distances in equal time interval, then it is said to be moving with uniform speed. And in equal time interval there is unequal distance, then it is non-uniform speed. If an object covers unequal distance in equal time interval, म्हणजेच वेळ जरी सारखा समान ठेवला पण कापलेला अंतर जर वेगळं वेगळं असेल तर त्याला नॉन युनिफॉर्म स्पीड म्हणतात. आणि कापलेलं अंतर समान आहे प्रत्येक ठराविक कालावधीमध्ये तर त्याला युनिफॉर्म स्पीड असे म्हणतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, the motion of vehicle being driven through heavy traffic or in bazaar. म्हणजे आपण जर बाजारामधून किंवा जिथं जास्त ट्रॅफिक आहे अशा ठिकाणाहून जर वाहन चालवत असू तर आपल्या लक्षात आलं असेल की त्या वाहनाचं जे स्पीड आहे ते सारखं बदलत राहतं. दॅट मीन्स नॉन युनिफॉर्म स्पीड. नाउ सी व्हॉट इज ॲक्सेलरेशन. ॲक्सेलरेशन म्हणजे नेमकं काय आपल्याला इथं बघायचं आहे. एक व्हिडिओ दिसतो. या व्हिडिओमध्ये सुरुवातीलाच आपल्याला दिसतं की एक बाग आहे किंवा ज्याला आपण पार्क म्हणतो. या पार्कमध्ये हे स्लाइड आहे म्हणजेच घसरगुंडी ज्याला आपण म्हणतो, त्याच्यावरून हा मुलगा जातोय. आणखी काही गोष्टी आपल्याला या व्हिडिओमध्ये बघायच्या आहेत, बघूया. सी हिअर इन द पार्क देयर इज अ स्लाइड अँड दॅट बॉय इज स्लाइडिंग ऑन इट. सी हिअर, first of all at the start point he has low speed and that speed increases at the end. Here the bus is traveling on the road with some speed. The driver apply the brakes and the speed decreases. On the road, the speed of bus increases and decreases due to any obstacles. See here, speed increases and again decreases. Speed of bus increases as well as sometimes decreases. On the turn, speed decreases. If the car is moving at constant speed, that is 80 km per hour, aeroplane also is moving with 1000 km per hour with constant speed. These two examples of constant speed 80 km per hour and 1000 km per hour. In which case do you think acceleration is involved? यामध्ये कुठं acceleration आपल्याला दिसतं? म्हणजे स्पीड जरी सारखं असलं, कॉन्स्टंट असलं तरी नो acceleration. स्पीड सारखा आहे, acceleration नाही. Velocity is related with speed and direction. Hence it is वेक्टर क्वांटिटी, सदिश राशी आहे की ज्याला दिशेची गरज आहे. सपोज वन ऑब्जेक्ट इज मूव्हिंग फॉर 5 सेकंड फ्रॉम 0 velocity to 20 km per hour. In this velocity, is there acceleration? Here velocity changes, hence there is acceleration. Zero to 20 km, that is change in velocity. Suppose the object is moving with same speed, that is 30 km per hour, but there is change in direction. There is change in direction. Speed is same, but direction is changed. Then is there acceleration? Yes, there is acceleration. We can say the acceleration when there is change in direction or change in velocity. If the velocity is constant, then there is no acceleration. Change in direction and change in velocity, that is acceleration. That means the rate of change of velocity is nothing but acceleration. The rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. See the formula for acceleration, that is change in velocity upon time, that is acceleration. And this acceleration is nothing but final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time, that is v minus u divided by t. That is the formula for acceleration, which is important. A is equal to A is acceleration and v is final velocity, u is initial velocity and t is time. V minus u upon t, that is acceleration, formula for acceleration. Now see the accelerated motion. What is accelerated motion? When the velocity of an object changes during certain time period. काही ठराविक कालावधीमध्ये जर त्या ऑब्जेक्टची, पदार्थाची velocity बदलत असेल, then it is said to have accelerated motion. तर त्याला accelerated motion मध्ये आहे असं म्हटलं जातं. उदाहरणार्थ एखादी कार प्रवास करते आहे आणि त्याचा वेग सतत बदलत आहे, कमी होतो, जास्त होतो असं असेल तर ते ॲक्सेलरेटेड मोशन मध्ये आहे असं म्हटलं जातं. मगाशी आपण बघितलं विमान आणि एक कार, की कार ती 80 किलोमीटर प्रति तास या वेगाने जाते, त्याचा वेग बदलत नाही, म्हणजेच देर इज नो चेंज इन वेलोसिटी. ॲज वेल ॲज that aeroplane is also in motion with 1000 km per hour. There is no change in velocity. At that time that object is not in accelerated motion. But if the velocity changes, then it is called as accelerated motion. This accelerated motion is of two types, uniform acceleration and non-uniform acceleration. What is uniform acceleration and what is non-uniform acceleration? See here, velocity changes by equal amounts in equal time intervals. ठराविक कालावधीमध्ये ठराविक वेग बदलत असेल तर त्याला युनिफॉर्म ॲक्सेलरेशन म्हणतात. व्हेलॉसिटी चेंजेस बाय इक्वल अमाउंट्स इन इक्वल टाइम इंटरवल्स. अँड नॉन युनिफॉर्म ॲक्सेलरेशन इज व्हेलॉसिटी चेंजेस बाय अनइक्वल अमाउंट्स इन इक्वल टाइम इंटरवल. म्हणजे ठराविक वेळेमध्ये अनइक्वल म्हणजेच बदलणारा वेग असेल, तो वेग ठराविक बदलत नसेल तर त्याला नॉन युनिफॉर्म ॲक्सेलरेशन असे म्हणतात. या प्रकरणामध्ये या पार्टमध्ये आपल्याला काही गोष्टी अत्यंत महत्त्वाच्या आहेत त्या लक्षात ठेवाव्या लागतील. इन शॉर्ट, see here, speed is nothing but actual distance divided by time, by that traveled by that object. But velocity is displacement upon time. That means minimum distance. We have seen in that diagram. Suppose here is object at point A and this point is B, and that object is moving in this direction. Here, that is the path from A to B in this way, that is distance covered by that object in that particular time. That is distance upon time is speed. But that object go from A to B in this direction, that means it requires direction A to B. The actual distance from A to B, that is nothing but this is displacement, that means it required direction. And velocity is nothing but displacement upon time. That means minimum distance covered, or the distance in that object is displacement, and displacement upon time is velocity. And when this velocity changes due to speed or direction, change in direction, that is acceleration. That means change in speed as well as change in direction, that is acceleration. And the formula is acceleration is equal to change in velocity divided by time. या स्पीड, व्हेलॉसिटी आणि ॲक्सेलरेशन यांना आपल्याला थोडक्यात लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे, अत्यंत महत्त्वाचं आहे. स्पीड म्हणजे जे काय ॲक्च्युली पाथ आहे, म्हणजे ज्या मार्गावरून तो ऑब्जेक्ट जातो ते अंतर भागिले टाइम, म्हणजेच त्यासाठी लागलेला वेळ. पण व्हेलॉसिटी डिस्प्लेसमेंट भागिले टाइम असं त्याचं वेळ असं त्याचं सूत्र आहे. आणि डिस्प्लेसमेंट म्हणजे आपल्याला माहित आहे ऍक्च्युअली डिस्टन्स, मिनिमम डिस्टन्स, आणि हे अशा पद्धतीनं गेलेला पाथ तो म्हणजे डिस्टन्स. आणि हे दोन पदार्थामधलं, दोन वस्तूमधलं मिनिमम डिस्टन्स म्हणजेच डिस्प्लेसमेंट. म्हणजेच इथं व्हेलॉसिटी आणि स्पीड यातला फरक लक्षात घेणं आवश्यक आहे. डिस्टन्स स्पीडशी रिलेटेड आहे, डिस्प्लेसमेंट व्हेलॉसिटीशी रिलेटेड आहे. आणि या व्हेलॉसिटी मधला बदल म्हणजेच ॲक्सेलरेशन. आणि ही जी व्हेलॉसिटी आहे ही स्पीडमुळे बदलते किंवा डायरेक्शनमुळे बदलते. दॅट मीन्स चेंज इन स्पीड अँड चेंज इन डायरेक्शन, that is change in velocity, and change in velocity is nothing but acceleration. Change in velocity divided by time, that is acceleration. Thank you.